Hi everyone, back again with me, Hafidjudo Sasongko, after previously discussing basic sentence structures. Today, we are moving up to the next level, skill 9. Use noun clause connector correctly. What is noun clause? Simple put, it's a clause that functions as a noun within a sentence because it acts as a noun. This clause can take the position of either an object or a subject. There are three main functions. One, as an object of a verb. For example, she forgot where she parked her car. 2. Object of a preposition. For example, we are thinking about why they leave early. 3. Subject of a sentence. For example, whatever you choose is fine with me. Now, to join two clauses into one noun clause, we need a tool called a connector. Some connector that frequently appear include WH question such as what, when, where, why, and how, and then either word such as whatever and whenever, less other such as whether, if, and that. The golden rules you must note for skill 9 is whenever there is a connector, it must be followed by the pattern subject plus verb plus connector plus subject plus verb. Don't accidentally flip it into a question pattern. Now let's dissect the pattern visually. First, noun clause as an object. The pattern is subject plus verb plus connector plus subject plus verb. For example, the manager explained why the meeting was cancelled. Here, the clause why the meeting was cancelled acts as the object of the verb explained. Second, noun clause as a subject. This is what often appears in the TOEFL. The pattern is connector plus subject plus verb plus main verb. For example, whether they will join us depends on the weather. Notice that the entire box clause is a single subject unit for the verb depends. Let's test our analytical skill on these two examples. When the season start is determined by the weather, this sentence is correct because the clause when the season start function as a subject followed by the main verb is determined. Second, the manual how the device should be built. The sentence is incorrect. Why? Because even though there is a subject, the manual and a noun clause how the device should be built, the sentence is missing the main verb for the subject, the manual. So, the conclusion for skill 9 is to always ensure that after a connector, there is a subject, then a verb sequence, and make sure the sentence has all its components. Just like before, I want to see how much you have understood. Please write one example of a sentence using a noun clause. It can be as a subject or an object in the comment column. I will try to check them one by one. That is my explanation for skill 9. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.